Hello everybody, I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, we're going to talk about what are you going to do in 2019. It's 2019, time to be in the lab, get things together, or are you going to procrastinate? Now's the time. 2019 is going to be a year of turmoil financially. So now, prepare yourself. We're going to talk about it. We're going to make sure that we're all going to be all right. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. So, 2018, let's recap. 60% of Americans make less than $40,000 a year now. That's from 2017, Social Security Administration. 90% of Americans make less than $100,000 a year. Start doing the math. Divide that by 12. What is that? 8 grand a month? 90% of Americans. So don't look at me and go, Eric, I make over $100,000 a year. The odds are 1 out of you out of 10 do that. The rest of everyone else, we need to work extra jobs. We have to make more money. That's why the industry about getting and paying gurus is so big. That's why they can ask the 500, the 1,000, the 2,500. Come on. How many of you into these programs where they're trying to help you make money? But here we are at Stop Struggling Now, and you can review some of the videos, and you'll notice I'm helping you for free. What do we have going on here? MCS Telecom. Some of y'all could promote that. Make money for free. I'm not asking for any down payment, no money. You can just promote it yourself, affiliate marketing. And I'm gonna kick you some money out of my own pocket, which obviously I get a commission, so it ain't out of my pocket, it's out of their pocket. But still, you can join me, make money. Not asking you for anything up front. No seminar to come to. How about this? Speaking of MCS, how about the no-cell bill? One-time payment of $300 and you would not even have a cell phone bill in 2019. Can save your way that way. Save money that way. How about when we're talking about the cable bill? We give you the 1-day free trial. You can tell other people about it. And you can make money that way by referral marketing. No huge down payment, $59. That's simple. So, it's pretty simple and easy. Nothing extravagant, but referral marketing is what it's all about. Think about it. When you talk to your friends, they ask for recommendations. What's wrong with telling them about a few things that can help save them some money? In fact, the cable bill situation is as soon as you have 4 friends that are referred and they start the business for IXQ TV, your service is free. So you can eliminate 2 bills right there. So let's start talking about 2019. Okay? 2019, we're in the lab. So what do we have to do as the market crumbles? Here's how this works. I'm gonna give you something that I don't like to give because it's stock related. You can't just, set it and forget it. This particular stock, you have to pay attention to as the stock market goes up and down. So basically, TVIX, okay? This is very volatile. This is for the stock market. When the stock market goes up, TVIX generally goes down. When the stock market goes down, TVIX stock goes up. So it does the opposite of what the market does. So right now it's around $70, $75 a share. Stock market's probably going up. So if the stock market goes down, then it starts rising. And if you make 10% on your money, 15% on your money in one day, you sell it, get out. And then when you start amortizing this over the year, if you're making an extra $200 a week, start adding up. Think about it. That's my tip for 2019 thus far. I have more, so stay tuned for more videos that's going to be coming out this year. We're going to start talking about LLCs, setting that up. Because you're going to need everything under a business platform, especially if you're going to start selling anything or marketing anything. You want to be able to write some things off, a lot of things off. So right now, when I'm out here talking to other people about cell phone bills, I can write stuff off. If I'm talking to them about the TV, I can write that off. My other business ventures I have, I can write that off. Think about it. Don't be ordinary. America is the United States of America is a corporation. This is why you get big time relief when you are self-employed, when you have a corporation, when you have a company, you get tax breaks. Come on, let's get real. This is how the 1%ers keep all their money when there's a downfall in the economy, because it's under a corporation, not personal. So let's get to it. Now's not the time to sleep. Now's the time to prepare. Put yourself in the lab. Get to it. There's trip rides coming out. I don't know if they're gonna make it. Let's face it, Uber and Lyft, they still aren't profitable after all these years. Now we have a new company that's trying to disrupt by using technology to their advantage. But it's a long road to hoe. But I'm telling you right now, you should at least sign up. Use the link below. Sign up for trip rides. Use my link. Please. Get yourself involved into a few things that doesn't even cost you any money for Trip to sign up initially. You can just be a rider who gets an app when the app comes out. Then if somebody wants to become a driver, you can pay to be a driver. You can find out all about it. Look at one of the previous videos. Come on now. If you guys aren't paying attention all this time, you better start paying attention now. The stock market, the 1%ers, when they start getting crushed, everybody else gets crushed. All right? So let's get real with all this. You want to make money? Then get to it. You can't sit around and do it 1 month, 2 weeks. You got to put in work 6 months to a year. Don't start something and then quit. It takes 6 months to a year just to get your rhythm going, just to get everything in place, especially when you're new to it. So give yourself some time, put in the work every day, every other day. Spend an hour, spend 30 minutes on your own business, even if you have to work for somebody else. It ain't that hard, but you can put in the work. There's all kinds of social media outlets. I learned of new social media outlets that I've never used before until now. So down below, you'll notice we have, what do we have? Instagram. We've got the Snapchat. We have Facebook groups and pages for Stop Struggling Now. Please join us on all of those, because I'm going to be starting to put out some different information there, as well as the YouTube videos. So I want to thank everybody for watching all the videos. You can review them at any time. And also, don't be shy. You can send me a message, eric@stopstrugglingnow.com, info@stopstrugglingnow.com, support@stopstrugglingnow.com. It don't matter. Take your pick. All right? If you have any questions, I'll answer. It's easy. You can hit me up in the replies, comments below. Don't be shy. I'll try to help you if I can. This is the No Guru Zone. Come on now. Let's go. We're all in this together. Come on. 90% of the population makes less than $8,000 a month. Come on. Let's get to this. It's 2019, 2020, 2021. You have mouths to feed possibly. You have family to feed, children to feed, parents to take care of, health situations. Stop being shy about all this. It ain't gonna hurt you. Put yourself to work for 6 months on your own business. Give your chance, give yourself a shot. So this turns into a motivational video as well. This is all about 2019. Stay tuned. That's the StopStrugglingNow.com YouTube channel. Come on. You know I'm gonna have more people on. Here we go. I'm here in Sacktown right now, getting my car tuned up in the back, getting things handled. Because just like anything, it takes maintenance. Your life requires maintenance, economic maintenance, health maintenance. Let's get real, stop playing around. All right? Giving you all the info that you need to be successful, and you're still playing off. Come on. Now, it's the Stop Struggling Now way. So please, let's get to it in 2019. There's nothing to be afraid of. The shadow, the darks, all the naysayers, the haters, you don't have to listen to none of that. They're the ones that's saying, I want to collect a paycheck. They're the ones that's saying, help me when they lose their job. Help me when they're laid off. Those GM workers, the GE workers who are making $30 an hour, $35, $40 an hour, they're sitting there laid off right now after years of employment, thinking that since they're in the union, everything's all great. Well, as you know, in America, it's all about competition. So everything isn't always great. So I'm ranting a little bit today because I want everybody to be successful. High tides lift all boats. So if there's anybody left behind, that means we got to bring them with us. That's why I started this channel. Come on, people. Don't be shy. Just because I'm giving you free information doesn't mean it's not legitimate. Get your asses off the couch. Quit boo-hooing and whining about what you don't have. And quit, for the love of God. Stop acting like you need something material that costs a lot of money just to put yourself in debt. Think about it. That's the only way they make you keep showing up at your job. Let's get real, people. That's right. Motivational Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every damn day. That now I might get banned for using curse words, but it's all right. I want to get a fire under your feet. It's serious out here. It's real in the field. Stop playing around with yourself. All right? Stop watching the videos. Get to it. Nobody's stopping you but yourself. Now, after all that said, it's been a long video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all your support. I appreciate all your comments. Whether you agree with me or disagree with me, I appreciate it. And now's the time to talk about precious metals as well. Stock market's going to start going down. Precious metals might be a thing to look at about now. Those you can hold long term. All right? Silver, gold, platinum, palladium. Just pay attention. All right? So, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And again, please like, share, and subscribe from the link below. And keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.